What's going on, guys? Phil here for Phil's Craft Corner. Hope you're all having a great day. I'm doing pretty good. Been out working all day and I got home to a parcel. This one. This is my first order ever from TikTok shop, so it's the first thing I bought off TikTok, and it is an Android Auto or Apple CarPlay device. This is for my new car, my Nissan Serena. It came with a Japanese radio, and I cannot unlock the Japanese radio to be English, and even if you can unlock it to English, you can't put UK maps on there. At least for the research I've done, it's very difficult, or someone will charge you a lot of money and it could be a scam. So I've got this little guy, so this should just sit on the top of my dashboard, link to my phone by Bluetooth, and then I can transmit the audio from this to the original radio and play that through the car. So let's get in the box, let's see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so this is the device. It's in a standard box. Model name is the B5300. This one should come with a backup camera, which I'm guessing is what that symbol is. I don't know what this B is. Well, let's just get in there. Let's see what it's like. So, straight away, you've got your cables and the backup camera, which has LED lights all around. Quite a long cable. I think this might link up to the backup camera that's already on the car, so if it does, that's pretty good. You've got some very simple instructions there. Scan the code to see a video of how it works. I think it's pretty much self-explanatory anyway. This is the mount, well, part of the mount. The rest of the mount is there. Your car adapter, which doesn't look like it's got pass-through on there, and I think it's got its own proprietary adapter, so it doesn't use USB-C, I don't think, which might be a bit annoying. You could probably just buy a splitter. No, so it's got its own adapter. I don't know why this isn't USB-C. Literally everything's USB-C these days, so yeah, bit of pain. So that's half of the mount. This is the other half of the mount. It has an adjustable in and out. You get your windscreen suction cup there, and then it's fully adjustable that way, and then that'll pop on there, and then you can tighten that down. So that's kind of adjustable that way. So we'll figure that out when we're attaching. This is the other half of your reverse camera plug. This side will go into your car, and it comes with an auxiliary to auxiliary cable. Nothing else in the box, and just your unit. Already comes with a sun visor guard thing on there. On the side you have a USB. I don't know if that'll power out, but I know if you get a USB device with music on, you can put that in there. An SD card, power in, video in, and aux out. That's it. There's no power button, is there? Oh yeah. Is it? No, that is not a power button. So there's no power button. I'm assuming this will just turn on with power from the car. Shame it's not USB-C, because we could try and hook it up right here, but we'll go and try and fit it in the car. The mount will sit in place like so, and then you can basically put that in your car wherever it'll fit. So let's go over to the car, because the next thing you need to do is see if this powers up and give it a test, see if we can connect the phone to it. Alright guys, so we're in the car, and this is my original radio here. A little bit dusty because obviously sawdust in the car. I'll start the car up and you can see what I mean with this radio. It starts talking in Japanese straight away. It says something about forgetting my phone, and I'm assuming the original owner had this linked to their phone and they could, that was a security, so. And this is what it does. And this is what it does. It shouts at you in Japanese, say whatever. I'm guessing that's the OK button. And as you can see, everything is in Japanese. Go to the audio settings. So your Bluetooth audio, you can press that, but you cannot connect any devices. Everything's greyed out. Everything isn't an option to press. It's just, you can't do anything apart from. Yeah. So it does them two things. So straight away it'll say something, and then later on it'll say something else. And these are the settings, and you can't press anything. Nothing works. You can go into further settings, and that's it. You can't do anything. Hopefully, this is my solution. I'm wanting to kind of mount that in there, and hopefully that works. I don't know how this suction cup's going to work in this, because this isn't glass. It's pretty smooth, but it's not glass, so I don't know if it's going to stick. So I'll give that a try. I'll get this angle roughly where I want it. So I think we're about there. It's got this little peely bit and then a clip there to properly lock it in. So hopefully I can get that done. Get my fat hands in there. That's it. I think that's going to be alright actually. And then I'll twist you around. And kind of, to me, that's as far in as it goes, and then it can come out. So let's just have that tilted there. Tighten you down. I think that's about okay. And then we've got the plug. I'm going to try and plug it in. Watch it turn on and see if I can connect to my phone. Where were they? That side. Bottom one. Well, there we go. That turns on pretty quickly. We've got the FM transmitter straight away, but we want to go through the settings. So we'll go home. Hopefully, can we go home? There we go. Bluetooth pair. There we go. There we go, now it's found it. Okay, so this has come straight to allow access for messages. Obviously I want that to allow because I want it to come through on my phone. And it says continue on the car screen. So pop my phone down. Welcome to Android Auto. Okay. Look at that, it's found me straight away. So this has all of my apps that I can use, and has the GPS that I can use. It's a little bit laggy, but it should be alright for now. The volume, and yeah, so let's just go home and set up my FM transmitter if I can, and try and figure out which station it's going to tune into. So on my phone I'm going to find some royalty free music, Let's have a look on YouTube Music. There we go. Copyright free music. So that's playing. That's actually playing through the speaker on the device. It's pretty quiet. So let's see if we can tune the radio into this. So FM transmit. Okay, I think that connected. I'm not sure. Okay, that's connected. So that's now playing through the car. So this is still playing through this speaker, but it's also playing through the car. So I don't know how to change that setting. Built-in speaker, there we go, off. So I've turned that off now. And that's just playing through the car. So that's connected. I need to mess around and test the phone calls, and we'll see how that works, because this has got a built-in mic. I don't know if it's going to pick up that mic or it's going to pick up my phone mic, so we'll test that out a little bit more. I don't know if you noticed Emma popping through the door, but I need to go and get my food, and we'll come back and we'll continue testing. Alright, so I've just got done, so we'll give this a little bit more of a test. Turn the engine on, we'll see how long it takes to boot up, and if it just connects to my phone automatically, which you just sat here. And yeah, let's see. So that is pretty quick. It comes straight on with the maps. Shows you what you were playing last time. Automatically starts playing what you played last time. Again, straight through the radio. Brilliant. So you have to tap the maps to show you what's going on. And scroll around. It's not too bad. So we'll see how the voice commands work on there. It does say you can just say navigate to Blackpool Tower.
Navigating to the Blackpool Tower.
Okay, so either I've got really bad signal on my phone, or this isn't working very well. It's interesting that it's put my route over to the left hand side. I don't know why it's done that. Show me videos from Phil's Craft Corner.
Sorry, I can't play videos in the car.
Okay, so you can't have videos on there. Okay. So apps have we got? We've got sound settings, so there's an equalizer on there. that's pretty good. Let me try and get some music up again. I'll just play it straight from my phone. It's pretty good. I do like it. It's pretty decent option for if you don't have any other option of having the radio in your car. So if your standard radio, like my Japanese one, I can't use, this is a pretty good option. I would prefer being able to sit it further into the car. I might be able to use this, but then it's probably going to block my AC settings. I might have a look to see if I can get it up on the top here somewhere. It is designed to be stuck on a window, but because my dash goes so far back, the window is so far back from the front, that's about a foot away. So even if I stuck it at the bottom and I brought it out, I don't think it's going to be close enough for me to actually be able to use. I'm going to have to reach forward and touch it, which isn't a great idea. Okay, so I've managed to get it attached to my window and it's sat there pretty well. It's not going to move that much while I'm driving around, and I can quite easily reach where I need to go. I can use my phone, I think, just as normal. I can bring up my Natix Drive app and still earn some crypto while I'm driving around, which is pretty cool. I like that. I just need to get the charging situation sorted, and then this is going to work really well. I like that even if I've not got my phone up there, I can still see what I need to see. I've got my charge level, I've got my internet connection level, I've got the time on there. If I just go into YouTube music, you've got your playlist there. It's dead easy to use. You can skip your tracks, and yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. I am thinking of doing a different channel for my car stuff and calling it Phil's Car Corner. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know down below and we'll do that. If not, I'll keep it on this channel. I just don't want everything to get a bit confused, and yeah, we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.